Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to recover forgotten Instagram account password. If you are using Instagram and you have forgotten your Instagram account password and you want to recover that, so let's see how can you do this. So the very first thing, you just have to simply make sure that you have a stable and a strong network connection. Then you have to also make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting a VPN, just open your Instagram app and here just tap on this forgotten password option. Now on this screen, you have to enter your mail address or your username. So if your account was linked to any email address, you have to enter it here. Or if your account was linked to any phone number, just have to find the mobile number option and enter your mobile number here. Or you can also search for your mail address or your username. So let's say I'm gonna enter my username or my mail address here. After entering your mail address, just tap on this continue option here. And after that, Instagram will send you an confirmation code on your mail address. You just have to go back and open your mail app. So let's say I'm going to directly search for my mail app. Just open mail app, and here you have to make sure that you're logged in with the same account. So I'm gonna select my account here, and here's the Instagram. I just select this, and you just copy this code, or you can also remember this. Then enter it here. After entering the code, just tap on this continue option. Then select your account. Let's say I'm going to select the first one here. So this was my account. Now you can create a new password if you want to. So just create a new password here. And after creating a new password, your account will be successfully logged in. So let me create a password. After entering the password, just tap on this continue option. And then just wait for its loading. Now, if you want to save your login info on your phone with your iCloud device or with your Google password, so you can tap on the save option. Let's say I'm going to tap on the save option here, and it's done. Now my account has been successfully logged in, and I have successfully created a new account. So in this way, you can easily recover your forgotten Instagram account password. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.